This is one of the two Taylor Hobson Digital Workshop inclinometers. They are handheld and lightweight, of aluminium box frame construction, enabling measurements of all four edges. It has a coloured touchscreen display. The two versions either have a plus or minus 45 degrees in this axis with 2 minutes accuracy, or plus or minus 15 degrees with 30 seconds accuracy. Both are 107mm by 27mm by 75mm and weigh only 300 grams. They both have USB connectivity for charging the lithium battery for up to 11 hours continuous use, and also with the ability to output data for external monitoring. They have two pairs of magnets on the base and on the side for additional stability. Let's look at the basic functionality. The top button is an on-off, which can also be programmed to automatically switch off after a timed period. The middle button is a hold, which freezes the display, which is useful if you're measuring in remote position and you need to look at the position later on. This can then be released. The bottom one gives you further menu options. Those menu options are to save the data, either as a single point or multiple points at 1 Hz, 5 Hz, 10 or 20 Hz. These can then be saved into a file for later verification, and then that file can be deleted. The set option gives a number of submenus. One is to set an alarm. If you wish to know, for instance, if it exceeds plus or minus 3 degrees, you can set an alarm. To calibrate, we use a reversal technique. We can apply a filter to smooth the data, select the date and time. We can go back to factory settings, and we can even set the current latitude position on the globe to compensate for the magnetic strength. The mode option allows you to switch between gradients, or millimeters per meter, decimal degrees, or degrees, minutes and seconds. The 0 button sets the current position to 0, and every measurement from there on is relative to that position. By pressing it again, we go back to absolute measurements. In addition to this, the display shows simple up and down positions indicated by arrows on the left and right, the state of the battery and the current time.